Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to paint monochrome feathers. First step, draw the outline of a feather. Make sure that you draw it lightly so that it doesn't leave any impressions on when you paint. After this, take some water and fill in the surface. Do a light wash on the surface and make sure that you have water on the entire feather. Take your color and lightly form an outline on the feather. Make sure that you just make a light outline and not a dark one because we are forming our first layer of the monochrome. Add in a darker shade so that it blends well with the lighter shade. Make sure the lowest part is the lightest of all. In case you have too much color towards the bottom, slowly put some water and lift up the paint. Next, I'll be adding the darker shade of the same blue. Keep in mind that in this entire painting, we'll be using only one color. Blend in the colors so that they don't leave any lines after it dries. Now we'll add the base of the feather to add in more details. Now for the fun part. Slowly take your brush and start painting trees while the surface is wet. This is because the wet surface gives a different effect when you do trees on them. The lightest shade will act as the background and then we will start doing darker trees to it. You can add any number of trees, even small ones will do. Once the surface is dried up a little bit, take a darker shade of the color and start adding in trees. The darkest shade of blue will be used at the end. Add in a few strokes to give it the final touches. You can also add tiny birds onto your painting. Now for the final part, take some paint onto your brush and just splatter it onto your painting. This is an effect that I use in most of my paintings because it makes it look magical. You can also darken the dots to make them have a difference between the small ones and the big ones. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the materials used in this video will be there in the description box. Drop in comments as to what you'd like to see next. See you soon. And yes, thank you again for watching this. Bye.